Okay, good morning. We are going to start our lesson off today with PLCfiddle.com. That's PLCfiddle.com. You can find this link directly in the assignment in Schoology. This will help you get started in understanding a little bit about programmable logic controllers. It sounds kind of overwhelming. It's super easy. I think you'll kind of enjoy it. It's a little bit of basic programming. That'll help you understand how a lot of manufacturing systems work, and microcontrollers for that matter. So we'll talk more about that in the future class. But what we can do here is make sure you're going on to the PLCfiddle.com. In the top right of your screen, you're going to have a login. Make sure you hit the sign up button if this is your first time here. Enter in your email address at henricostudents.org and your password, or create a password, and then save your information. Once you get logged in, go ahead and let me know. So take your time doing that. Make sure you feel free to pause the video at any time during this lesson so we can help you out and getting started. Okay, so as we get in here, the first thing you're going to do is see this playground area over here on the left. It's going to look a little bit like this in a way. What I want you to do is go straight to Code School. It's right here in the top of this corner. And then from Code School, we're going to take a look at how all this works. So Introduction Lesson 0, make sure you click up here and you will see our basic setup. So again, how this works is we've got the far left side menu is your buttons. So these work just like switches you would have at home. They're your light switch. They're the thing you turn on your power button to your Xbox. They are any sort of button or switch that you can think of. Here we label them input and output. So you can see here this little image that we have is a line going in, and there's a space in between. So that means that there currently is no the switch is open or off. So if you do any type of electronics, you'll hear about an open circuit. That is the same thing as allowing something as being off. And an open circuit or an off switch means that electricity cannot flow through that circuit. It's the same concept. We're just putting it into a drawing here. So right now the switch is off. If we were to come click input and turn that to on, you will see that this turns green, and that's representing that the switch is now functioning. You flip the light switch on, and you'll notice instantly that the power output has also turned on. So we've taken our input switch and we've turned it on, and now we have an output with electricity flowing to it and continuing up the other side of the ladder. It's about as simple as it gets. We have a switch on, we turn the switch off, and the output goes off. We turn the switch on, the output turns on. We've got one rung of the ladder, and this controls everything. We can't actually turn on the output when there's no electricity flowing to it. So we always work from left to right. If the left side is not powered on, then we can't turn on the right side of the ladder. So that is it for part 1. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, continue on to the next part, and we will continue on probably with lesson 1, 2, and 3 in the next section.